Are you having conversations with prospects or customers about your online business, but are running into a brick wall? Hi, I'm Karina Heath with SuccessWithKarina.com. Here are 2 examples of what may be happening and a solution. Being on the receiving end of when the person you are talking to is spouting words at you like a waterfall pouring down on your head isn't fun. Having your ears filled with a continuous string of words where the person speaking to you doesn't pause, making it difficult for you to say anything, can be a challenge. Imagine thinking that people in conversations with you feel that way. Talk at people and you erect a solid block made of words that can feel impassable. Change your approach, listen to others, and establish relationships. Allow others to go first.